When you really need to wind down, try herbal teas for that calming effect. 1. Lavender Tea. A well-known herb and used for its medicinal and calming properties. The calming impact of lavender can be best enjoyed in a cup of tea. Use a teaspoon of dried lavender buds in a cup of boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes. If required, sweeten with honey or sugar. You could even blend lavender buds with other herbs, inclusive of rosemary leaves, and chamomile flora. Mint leaves. Use 1½ teaspoon, and 1/2 teaspoon cloves in a cup of boiling water and steep for 5 minutes. 2. Chamomile Tea. Chamomile helps in easing the symptoms of anxiety and promotes a good sleep. The anxiety-reducing impact of the herb is attributed to the compounds apigenin and luteolin. Make chamomile tea by steeping in a cup of warm water for 10 minutes. You may drink up to 3 cups of chamomile tea each day. 3. Catnip Tea. Helps with stomach problems, hives, and common cold. Loosen up by sipping a cup of catnip tea. Enjoy the calming properties and enables sleep without making you drowsy. To make catnip tea, use 1 to 2 teaspoons of the dried herb per cup of water. Make tea in the usual way, allowing to steep for about 20 minutes. Relax and enjoy the calming effects of the tea. 4. Passionflower Tea. Passionflower is very good for lowering anxiety, irritability and restlessness. Due to the sedative effect of the herb, take passionflower tea an hour before bedtime. To make the tea, add a teaspoon of dried passionflower leaves, or a tablespoon of the fresh herb in a cup. Steep for about 5 minutes. Sit down, relax and enjoy the tea. 5. Lemon Balm Tea. The calming effect of lemon balm tea allows the calming of frazzled nerves. Plant compounds referred to as terpenes seem to be responsible for the calming impact of the herb. Put together lemon balm tea by steeping fresh cuttings of lemon balm in boiling water for a few hours. Chill the tea and drink it. Using dried leaves, take an ounce, or 28 grams and steep in 2 cups of boiling water, for approximately 10 minutes. Relax and sip the warm tea. All of the above remedies should be used under the supervision of a medical consultant to avoid any misuse and limit side effects.